super tip on getting started in investing in real estate?
Immediately find a realtor. Number one, whether it's a virtual mentor, whether it's a community, whether it is somebody local in your market, getting clarity on a mentor and actually finding somebody that you can learn from will be the greatest life and or business hack ever. You can getting around somebody that is willing to shorten your learning curve, help you avoid mistakes that you'd probably make otherwise that they've already made, so you're not going to make by getting close to them, that's willing to share their resources, their systems, their experience, as well as their network. That is probably one of the best ways of accelerating getting to where you want to go in real estate.